Uke A Boogie. So this is how you play it. You start with a C chord, 3rd fret, 1st string. These are the strings 1, 2, 3, 4. 3rd fret, 1st string. So you strum C, and then you're gonna do 2 slide to the 4 on the 3rd string. So I would use your ring finger. It's 2 slide to 4, and then you're gonna do 3 on the 2nd string, 5 on the 2nd string, 3 on the 1st string. And then do it again. C, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. Then you do it 2 more times. C, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. C, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. And second page, you do an F, 2nd string, 1st fret, top string, 2nd fret, or the 4th string. So that's your F, F. And then 3 side to 5. Use your ring. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Then you do it again. F, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. And then you do C, 3rd fret, bottom string. C, slide 2 to 4, the 3rd string. 2, 4, 2nd string. 3, 5, 3. C, 2 slide to 4, 3rd string. 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. Okay, 3rd page, G chord, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, G. And then on the 2nd string, 3 side to 5, 1st string, 3, 5, 7, and then F chord, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret here, 3 side to 5, 3, 5, 3, C, 2 slide to 4, 3, 5, 3, C, cha cha cha.